Welcome back guys to another video. Today I'm going to be reviewing this selfie pole extend. It's by Kaiser Baas. I just put some tape over it to make it look better. It's electrical tape. So as you can see, it has a lot of buttons. This is power on button. This is a I think zoom out. This is zoom in button, and this is for taking the photos. It extends pretty far. I'll just show you right now. As you can see from here, it's all the way over there. Let me just focus over there. So this selfie stick was about $20, and it's really good for its price, considering it was only $20. Oh my god, guys, let me zoom in. There. As you can see, you can take this part off. You can take this out and attach it to a tripod and like attach a DSLR or to get overhead shots. Credits to Super Extreme Video for showing that. As you can see, it has a charging port right there, so you can charge it. One charge usually lasts about, saying if it's on, it usually lasts about 2 hours. I haven't really tested it. That's just an approximate. So yeah, I'll just show you what it's like when it's on. As you can see, the blue light's on, and when it's charging, it has a red light. So yeah, that's it for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Yeah, see ya.